In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own image in Canva template. By the end, you'll be able to bring your own photos into any Canva design and place them exactly where you want. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Click the official Canva website to go straight to the home page. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account. The free plan is perfectly fine for this walkthrough. Make sure you're on the correct account so you can access your designs and uploads later. From the home page, look for the Create button near the top. This opens up your design options. You can choose a specific size or format, but today we'll work with a template to keep things quick and polished. Browse or search for the template you want to use. Canva has ready-made layouts for social posts, presentations, posters, and more. Click a template you like, and it will open in the Canva editor. You'll see your canvas in the center and a toolbar along the left. In the left sidebar, click the Uploads tab. This is where you'll store and manage your own media. Next, click Upload Files. Select the image from your computer that you want to use. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great. For the best results, choose a clear, high-resolution image so it looks sharp in your design. Give it a moment to upload. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it's finished, your image will appear in the Uploads panel. If it's taking longer than expected, double-check your internet connection and keep the tab open until it completes. When your image is ready, click it once in the Uploads panel to place it onto your canvas. It will drop into the design automatically. If your template includes a photo frame or placeholder, you can drag your image over that area until it snaps in, instantly replacing the default picture. Now refine the placement. Click the image on the canvas to reveal handles around the edges. Drag a corner handle to resize while maintaining the proportions. Move the image by clicking and dragging it to the perfect spot. If you need to adjust what part of the photo is visible, double-click to crop and reposition within the frame. Use the position, align, or snap guides to keep everything neat and balanced. That's it. You've added your own image to a Canva template, placed it precisely where it belongs, and sized it just right. Canva auto-saves your changes, so you can continue editing or come back later. Thanks for watching and happy designing.